Hi, welcome back. I'm Kathy.
I'm Robin.
And if you're new to the channel, we do food and product reviews. And today we have a box of products to help organize your car or keep your car neat. Because if you saw one of our reviews about the question of the day, Robin said
It's very important and it's underrated.
it's a clean car.
It's very underrated. It is very important to people.
Right. And someone did comment that, they have kids, it's hard. Totally understand.
Yep, it is.
I would say it gets easier as they get older.
Yes.
Unless they play sports. And then you just get, especially baseball.
It gets overwhelming.
You get dirt everywhere. So,
yeah.
which, going back into baseball season, I will not have a clean car for a while. So, but these are simple things that you can use in your car that will maybe help keep it a little more organized, a little more clean. I think what we're going to do is for the next 4 days, well, 3 days, today included, in the next 3 days, we are going to do one product a day.
So as not to overwhelm you
Right.
with your organization skills.
So, one a day.
Robin and Kathy, every day. It's your one a day.
So anyway, we're gonna do that, and there'll be shorter videos instead of a long, 30-minute video or whatever of each. So we'll just do each product, quick little review of it. I was watching my friend James' video on Freakin Reviews. I'll post that video below, but his was testing 5 car gadgets, and they were more for travel. The first thing he reviewed was this garbage can for your car. And it goes on the back of the seat. But it was pretty big. I'm like, that would get in someone's way, and my kids probably complain.
Like on a trip may be okay because it's temporary.
Yeah,
but it's not a permanent solution.
Right. So I was like, wait a minute. I have a garbage can that I love in my car.
You have a garbage bag.
A garbage bag, I'm sorry.
Bag.
That I love, that a neighbor gave me like 5-6 years ago, and absolutely love it. The kids don't complain about it. It helps. Trash goes right in there. I can reach it from the front seat, and it's awesome. So, but I didn't know where you could get them, so I looked on Amazon, and of course, Amazon had them. Of course.
Amazon has everything.
So these come 2 a pack. I believe the price was $9.99. I will double check that. But it's super easy to have it. So when you want to empty it, oh, it just flew in my mouth.
What was it?
Oh no. What the hell was that? So it just Velcros, and then I'll show you when we get out there, because I have mine is actually full right now. And then you can just push all the garbage out, because here it's like elastic. So
this never has to come out of the car.
Right. Or you could if you want to take it. Like when I go to the car wash, I'll take it out and go to the garbage can.
Oh, well, yeah. But I'm just saying, like,
but you don't have
you have to bring it into your home, and then it sits on the counter, and you forget it, and the next thing you know.
Right. So
yeah.
We're going to go out to the car and try them out.
Come on.
Okay. So here, the one I have, it is almost identical. This is a little different. Let me show you. Which also, if you ever use these are awesome too. But they're empty. And they could have been thrown away. Look at that. This goes around. So this one is different. But that's it. So So it's nice when I'm in the front seat, I can just reach around like for all my
if you're driving.
Wrappers.
Yeah. Harder for the passenger, but the passengers can just hand
it to you.
The driver the trash and distract the driver.
Exactly. Or you go to that side and you hand it to you.
Yeah, I know. Just kidding.
Okay, so if you want to empty this, I just want to show you how much, because this does hold a lot.
Voila!
That's a lot of garbage.
Yeah, that is a lot of garbage.
I haven't emptied it in a while.
Yeah, that's a
lot.
lot.
That's garbage that would have been all over your car.
Right. Or you have, like me, you have that unsightly bag hanging on an armrest on the back.
Right.
Because I have to have a garbage bag. So.
I wish these would come in different colors. I think that would be a nice option to match your
interior. Yeah.
So let's see how this one works. One thing, it does say this is. I try to keep the kids not to put like drinks or stuff in here.
Right. Food. I always tell them that no
Right.
food, no drink.
Right.
It has to be paper waste.
But I want to be realistic here. And it could happen. But this is supposed to be, it's water resistant. But I'm going to pour some water in here.
Oh my God.
Luckily I have rubber mats. So if it does leak, it'll be okay.
Look at you with your rubber mats.
So let's, let me go get some water.
Okay. How much you put?
I'm not going to pour the whole bottle.
I'm like, because that would be.
I just want to see. Cause,
Yeah.
Okay, so it's folded.
And it's Velcroed.
Okay. Let's see. Let me see if it will hold the whole bottle.
Oh, it's leaking already.
Oh, son of a.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
All right, so lesson learned.
Yeah. It's. I mean, this material may be water resistant, but
the bottom.
The bottom.
Because it's.
It's not. It's yeah. Okay. All right, don't do that, people.
So lesson learned. Don't put any liquid. Maybe if it was like a Capri Sun, you had a little bit, but don't pour.
Yeah.
Because I have a mess. Other than that, I think I haven't had any issues with it. I love it.
Yeah, I've always loved it.
So
I've been in your car many times, and I love it.
Robin gets to go home with one today.
Voila!
So and it came in a 2-pack for $9.99.
Yeah, so
think
one
that's a
for
good
each
price.
car. That's my birthday month.
So happy birthday!
Yeah, and so this is one of my gifts of the month.
Garbage bag. Yes.
Oh my God.
Best gift ever.
Well, when it's important to you, it is.
Right.
So.
That is true. Very true. All right. So since these are kind of shorter videos, we're going to do a shorter question of the day. So
Okay.
you have no time to think.
Okay.
Hot seat.
Okay, hot seat. Oh, it's like Ellen. You have a button?
You just have one question.
Okay.
Favorite flower?
Daisies.
Any certain color?
Yellow.
Yellow.
Oh, white. Sorry. I just love daisies, but white with
Okay.
the yellow center. That was a lot.
Bird of paradise.
Oh.
Is that a plant or a flower?
I don't know, but that's a fancy.
That's why I don't get them very often. But that's my favorite. It seems tropical. I love it.
Yeah.
All right. Favorite flower below. Let us know in the comments. So if you want these for yourself, below in the description is a link.
Use that link.
Yes, please use that link, and you can get yourself some because they're awesome. Get one for you and one for someone else. That would be very nice.
Yeah.
Okay, so we will see you back here tomorrow, and
For day 2.
Day 2, and we'll give you a little sneaky peek. It is the seat gap fillers. I did something similar a few years ago, and I will tell you my pros and cons of what I have in my car currently. But
Okay. And this one was seen on
Shark Tank. So we will see you tomorrow.
Have a great day.
Bye. Bye.